Alrighty, I'm still on page 241 in the Chapter 6 mid-chapter check of your Go Math textbook. Follow along. I'm going to do the bottom part, 5 through 12. Let's go ahead and get started. Number 5, the mass of Hinto's math book is 4,458 grams. What is the mass of 4 math books in kilograms? So this is a two-parter. First, I want to change these grams to kilograms. Okay, so I'm going to write the number down, 4,458. That's my first step. I just rewrite it. I'm going from grams, here's my grams on my chart, to kilograms. So I need to move to the left 1, 2, 3 places. My decimal, since it doesn't show a decimal, my decimal is always at the end of the number. So I move it to the left 3, 1, 2, 3. So it comes right there now. So my number changes to 4.458. And this is now kilograms, kg. And then I want 4 of these. So I just need to now multiply this by 4. Okay, I'll let you go ahead and do that math. Just remember, you need to move your decimal. Once you get your answer down here, move your decimal over 3 places to the left once you get your answer, because you have 3 numbers behind the decimal on the first factor there. All right, but again, if you need additional help, don't hesitate, raise your hand. All right, number 6, turning off the water while brushing your teeth saves 379 centiliters of water. How many liters of water can you save if you turn off the water the next 3 times you brush your teeth? So again, this is a two-parter. First thing I'm going to do, though, is convert my centiliters to liters. So I write the number down just like I did on the last problem. And this time I am starting at centiliters. And I am going to, and remember, this is just the unit. So this could be grams, liters, whatever it may be, meters, whatever the unit is. In this case, the unit is liters. So I'm on centiliters, and I need to go to liters, so I need to go over 1, 2, and I'm going to the left again. So I start behind the number since there's no decimal given in the number. The decimal, if there's no decimal given, it's always behind the number. So I move it over to the left twice, 1, 2. My new number becomes 3.79. And now we're dealing with just liters. And it wants to know, though, if you do it the next 3 times, so I have to multiply this number by 3. And then just remember, you're just doing regular multiplication as if this was 379 times 3. And then just move your decimal over to the left 2 times on this one because you have 2 numbers behind the decimal. Alrighty. All right, let's go on to number 7. Now I got millimeters to centimeters. I'm just going to rewrite the number. Starting at, this time I'm starting at millimeters. And remember, this can be meters, liters, grams. This is just the unit right here. And I'm going to centimeters. So I'm just going over to the left, just 1. So you move your decimal over 1 to the left, and I'll let you do that. And then write in your new number here. All right, number 8, 42 inches. I'm going to multiply that by my conversion factor. So I want feet, so I'm going to put feet on top. 1 foot is 12 inches. And then now I just multiply straight across. And remember, 42 is the same thing as 42 over 1. And then you can even cross simplify if you want before you do the multiplication. Or you can multiply straight across and then divide. Okay, I'll let you go ahead and finish that math. But again, if you need any additional help, please raise your hand. Okay, number 9, 1.4. I'm just going to copy the number down. Okay, this time I am starting with kilometers and I'm going to hectometers. So kilometers are right here, hectometers are 1 to the right this time. So I move my decimal over 1 to the right, and now you have your number to write there. Okay, number 10, 4 times, and again, I want quarts. 4 quarts. 4 quarts is 1 gallon. I put the quarts on top because I want quarts. And remember, 4 is the same thing as 4 over 1. So now you just multiply straight across. There we go. 4 times 4 is 16. 1 times 1 is 1. 16 over 1 is the same thing as just 16. All right, number 11. 53. And this time I am starting with deciliters. And again, this is just the unit. It could be liters, meters, grams, whatever it may be. And I'm going to deca. So I need to move to the left, 1, 2. So I move my decimal over 1, 2 to the left. And now you have your number to go here. All right, number 28, I have, or number 12, I have 28 cups. And I want to go to pints. So I see the relationship between pints and cups. 2 cups is 1 pint. I want pints on top. So I put 1 pint to 2 cups. And then now I do my multiplication. Remember, 28 is the same thing as 28 over 1. Now you can cross simplify first if you want. But then you're going to multiply and divide to get your final answer. In fact, here I'll just do this one since I didn't do number 8. I'll go over doing this one. So 28 times 1 is 28. 1 times 2 is 2. And then I divide the denominator into the numerator. 2 goes into 2 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract gives me 0. Bring down my 8. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract gives me 0. So 14 pints would be my final answer there. All right, thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next video.